In this video, I'll show you how to download and install VideoScribe software. VideoScribe is an amazing tool that helps you create whiteboard animation videos, and with its new AI features, it has become even more powerful. To get started, click on the first link in the description, which will take you to the official VideoScribe website. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Try for free. Click on it, and it will take you to the sign-up page where you need to fill in your details, such as your first name, last name, email address, and password. The best part is that you don't need to enter any credit card details because VideoScribe offers a 7-day free trial. Once you've filled in your information, click on Create your free account. After that, you'll receive a verification email from VideoScribe. Go to your inbox, open the email, and click on the verification link they've sent you. Once you verify your email, you'll be asked to log in again using the same email address and password you just created. Enter your credentials and click on Log in to continue. It might take a few seconds to load, and then you'll be asked a few quick questions about how you plan to use VideoScribe. Just answer them one by one, and once you're done, you'll be redirected to the web version of VideoScribe. Now, you can use VideoScribe directly inside your browser, but if you want to download the desktop version, here's what to do. Click on Purchase Now option on the top. From there, click on the Account option on the top right, and you'll see an option called VideoScribe for your desktop. Click on it, and you'll now see the download page. Choose Download for Windows, and your setup file will start downloading. The file size is around 120 megabytes, so just wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file and click on Next. Choose the location where you want to install the software. It will select a default location automatically, but you can change it if you want. After that, click on Install. When a prompt appears asking for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. The installation will begin, and it only takes a few moments to complete. Once it's done, click on Finish. Now the software will open and ask you to log in using the same email and password you used on the website. Enter your details and click on Sign In. It will then prompt you to open the VideoScribe desktop version. Simply click Open, and it will automatically launch the software. You'll now see the dashboard showing the latest version of VideoScribe, which at the time of recording is version 3.14. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the VideoScribe desktop software. You can now start creating your own whiteboard animation videos completely for free during the 7-day trial. If you'd like to learn how to use VideoScribe in detail, both the web and desktop versions, click on the video appearing on your screen right now.